Hi, my name's Phil Scoble and welcome to the U-Select Catering Equipment Review Show. Here at U-Select, we love helping catering entrepreneurs like you pick the right equipment that they're going to use day in and day out, because the right piece of kit can make a kitchen more efficient. And a more efficient kitchen is a happier and more profitable one. We'll be releasing a video each week that will outline the pros and cons of different catering equipment. Sometimes we'll look at an entire range, sometimes we'll look at an individual piece of kit. We'll outline what they're best used for, any special installation considerations you need to make before you buy, and how each piece of kit can benefit you and your customers. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube for weekly updates, read our blog for a written version of each review, and don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. We look forward to helping you choose the right equipment for your business. Thanks for watching.